straighten this stuff. Different angle. Nope, it doesn't matter. I thought maybe it would matter which way they were. Maybe it was a right angle. But there isn't. They're just gonna twist to go flush. So okay, answer my question on that. I don't know. Okay, so there's gonna be a tension. Gonna be tension on everything. Okay. Where are you? That's all. That's some bullshit. Okay. Not animal washing. What the heck did I know? This one too. Washer here. Washer there. Huh. I thought I had more washers. Okay. Kind of adjust the handle the way you want it. I'll give you 150 foot-pounds on that puppy. Nice work. Here you go. Give me a minute. Okay, it's tight. Now, tighten the main one here. Tight. Stations. Now right there. Alright. Jack that puppy up. Again. Definitely be a good place to put some lubrication is on that little pump handle. It's definitely gonna get it's gonna get some lots of pumping. Lots of action there. Now I ordered they did not have it in the store, but I ordered a engine leveler. It will go right on the end of here. It'll attach to the motor, and then you can adjust the angle of the motor when you're trying to maneuver it into the bay, or, well, yeah, the whole point, maneuvering it into the bay. And line it up with the transmission. Definitely get it lined up with the mounts. I'm just curious about how high this will go. It's about even with most bumpers. I don't know. It's about half the ram right there. I think it said 80 something inches high. Getting up there. It's almost at my roof. Wow. Okay. Well, I'm not in my ceiling yet, but well, I'm actually in my ceiling. So and it's still got a little more to go. You're right in the middle, kind of right in the middle of the feet. So it's definitely, your motor would probably be right about here if you're gonna come over a bumper. So you got plenty of height. It's probably got another foot that it can go. But that's as high as my winch is. And I've already taken a motor out of my Mustang using that from that height. So there should be no issue getting the motor out. The leveler is probably going to sit right about here. So it's probably going to sit down about another foot. So that's where your motor is going to be hanging. Well, whatever you want, transmission. You can probably jack the front end of the car up. 2 tons, the front end of your vehicle. Most vehicle, well, I can't really say most, but I mean, a lot of vehicle weights are, 3,000 pounds curbside. So if you're just lifting the front end up, you'll probably do that. You see I'm folding it up. Pin back in here, so come down on here. Now you can take the pins, you can take the legs completely out if you're gonna travel with it anyway. Nice, huh? Yeah. Looks pretty nicely. Okay. Yeah. There we go. Okay. There you go. Not too much of a footprint. We're good to go. All right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, and you'll catch me on the next. The last time I